Example number 6. Show that the points 1 comma 7, 4 comma 2, minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 4 comma 4 are the vertices of a square. Square means all sides are equal. Square means all sides are equal and diagonals also equal. You find AB distance, BC distance, CD distance, and also DA distance, AD or DA. Next to find AC distance, BD distance. All sides are equal and diagonals also equal. It is the square. You find one by one AB distance, BC distance, CD distance, DA distance. Next to BD distance, AC distance. Given points, 4 points. Take A, B, C, D. First take one by one. The distance of points A 1 comma 7, B 4 comma 2 is AB equal to, right formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 4 minus 1 whole square plus y2 2 minus 7 whole square. 4 minus 1 3 square, 2 minus 7 minus 5 square, minus 5 square. 3 square 9, it is the minus 5 square, minus 5 into minus 5. Minus into minus plus 5 5 so 25. 9 plus 25 root 34 units. AB complete. The distance of points BC, B x1 y1, C x2 y2 is BC equal to, right formula, substitute the values. Root of x2 minus 1, x1 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus 1 minus y1 2 whole square. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 square, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 square, minus 5 square 25, minus 3 square 9, minus becomes plus, power is even. 25 plus 9 root 34. Here also root 34, here also root 34. BC complete. Next CD. AB complete, BC complete, CD. The distance of points C x1 y1, D x2 y2 is CD equal to, right formula, substitute the values. Minus 4, here observe, minus 4, x2 value minus 4, minus, x1 value minus 1. So small bracket, whole square plus y2 4 minus y1 minus 1. Here also minus, take small bracket, whole square. Minus 4 minus into minus plus 1 square plus 4 minus into minus plus 1 square. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 square. 4 plus 1 5 square. Minus 3 square 9 plus 25. 25 plus 9 34. BC complete. CD complete. Next DR AD, anyone. The distance of points D x1 y1, A x2 y2 is DA equal to, right formula, substitute the values. x2 1 minus x1 minus 4, here small bracket, whole square plus y2 7 minus y1 4 whole square. 1 minus into minus plus 4 whole square. 7 minus 4 3 square. 1 plus 4 5 square plus 9. 5 square 5 into 5 25 plus 9 equal to root 34. AB equal to, BC equal to, CD equal to, DA equal to root 34. All sides are equal. Next, the distance of points, diagonals also, AC, A x1 y1, C x2 y2. Square root of x2 minus x1, right formula, substitute the values. x2 minus 1 minus x1 1 square plus y2 minus 1 minus y1 7 whole square. Minus 1 minus 2 square plus -1 -7 -8 whole square, -2 square 4, minus becomes plus, -8 square 64, minus also plus, √68 AC. Next diagonal BD. The distance of points B 4, 2. Here D -4, 4 is x1 y1 x2 y2. Write formula, substitute the values. x2 -4 minus x1 4 whole square plus y2 4 minus y1 2 square, -4 -4 -8 square plus 4 - 2 2 square, -8 whole square 64, 2 square 4, √68. AC equal to BD equal to √68. Same, diagonals are equal. The given points form a square. Here sides equal, and also diagonals also equal, so it is a square. A B C D or A B C D, anyone. A B B C C D or A B B C C D, anyone. Diagonals AC BD.